How to fix laptop battery not charging. Hello everyone, and let's get started. It can be a common frustration if you have to deal with a laptop battery not charging even if you are plugged in. So here are 5 solutions that you can try on. The step 1 would be checking the physical connection. Ensure that the charger is securely plugged into both of the laptop and power outlet. Inspect the charger cable for any signs of damage or fraying. Also try to use a different power outlet or charger if available. Moving on to second solution would be restarting your laptop. Many of the times, a simple restart can resolve a minor software glitches affecting the battery charging process. Restart your laptop and check if the battery starts charging after rebooting. Now for the third step, you have to open your device manager. After that, you have to search for the batteries category. Click on the drop-down menu and click on Update Driver. After that, you just have to select on Automatically Update. This way, you can now check if the battery is charging or not. Once this is done, let's move on to the next solution. It would be resetting the power management settings. For this, you have to open Power Options. You can search for it on the search bar and then type in or tap Change Advanced Settings. Go to the battery options and ensure the settings like battery saver and low battery level are configured correctly and in a proper order. And then you have to tap on Apply and then on OK. Now for the last solution, you can calibrate your battery, which basically means completely draining your laptop battery until it shutdowns due to power low. Plug in the charger and allow the battery to charge to full capacity without interruptions. This process helps calibrate the battery's capacity reading and may resolve inaccuracies. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.